Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Quiet Clippers is probably one of the most sought-after grooming tools for parents of children with autism, offering a solution to the often challenging task of haircut time. Many children on the spectrum are highly sensitive to loud noises, and the high-pitched whine of traditional clippers can trigger anxiety, meltdowns, or even sensory overload. These quiet clippers aim to eliminate that stress, making hair cutting a more positive and comfortable experience for both the child and the parent. Number 5. Baistom Baby Hair Clipper. It features a ceramic blade with 28 rounded teeth, ensuring a smooth and comfortable experience for your little one. No more tears during haircuts. Everything you need is included. 6 guide combs provide various lengths, and the kit also contains a brush, sponge, lubricating oil, and a bib for easy cleanup. With a noise level under 50 dB, it's perfect for sensitive children. Give your baby a haircut without the fuss. Enjoy cordless freedom for up to an hour of use. A simple USB charge provides 5 hours of power. It's IPX7 waterproof, so you can easily rinse the cutter head under running water. Keeping it clean is a breeze. What we like? This clipper's ceramic blade and rounded teeth prevent pulling and scratching. Its low noise level is perfect for sensitive children. If you need a waterproof and easy-to-clean option for fuss-free haircuts, this is the one for you. What people say. Quiet and gentle. One of the standout features is how quiet these clippers are. My baby is very sensitive to loud noises, and previous attempts at haircuts with standard clippers always ended in tears. However, these clippers are so quiet that my baby hardly noticed them, making the entire experience stress-free for both of us. Super easy for any novice with excellent direction manual included. Small size and light for easy maneuvering. Quiet when on, and my toddler enjoys the vibration much better than scissors. The guards are sufficient for me to do a basic cut for my LO without scissors. Perfect. Number 4. ENSSU Baby Hair Clippers. It operates at only 48 dB, as quiet as a whisper. Your baby will stay calm and relaxed during haircuts. The rounded ceramic blades and 0.5 mm skin gap ensure a gentle, safe trim for even the most sensitive scalps. It's designed for comfortable haircuts. It's IPX7 waterproof, so you can easily clean it under running water. Cleaning is quick and easy after each use. Its streamlined design and included combs make it simple to use, even for first-time parents. Trimming your little one's hair will be a breeze. Let your baby get used to the sound and vibration before you start. Distraction techniques like videos can also help make the experience positive. What we like? The advanced noise reduction technology makes this clipper exceptionally quiet. The special blade design ensures a gentle and safe haircut. If a fully washable clipper for easy cleanup is your priority, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Using it for 1-year-old and it is quiet and gentle. No issues so far. It's great it came with different size attachments, travel bag and a waterproof cover for your little one during their haircut. Our 5-year-old has autism and sensory processing disorder. Haircuts have always been a very difficult task. Typical trimmers with cords and loud motors put him into a very overwhelmed and traumatized state of mind. There is sound, but it's more like a buzzing kid's toy sound than a trimmer motor. It has a mild vibration that made our son want to not only hold it but help when we trimmed his hair. We went from a typical haircut being a traumatizing experience, to him actually aiding in the job. I was even able to use the trimmer directly on his skin without the attachments to do his neck and ears, and he did not even cry. USB charge works great and the trimmer powered through my son's shaggy thick hair without a problem and in one pass. These clippers are working really well for us. My boys are 6 and 7 and really struggle with haircuts, so a quieter option has been great. The guards are really easy to get on and stay on well, which is an issue I've had with past similar clippers. The charge lasts a pretty long time and honestly, my husband is loving it too. Number 3. Silent Haircut Kit. It's time for haircuts that are gentle and calm. This kit is designed for children with sensory sensitivities, making the experience easier for everyone. This kit offers a quiet and comfortable alternative to noisy clippers. It's perfect for those with autism or sensory processing disorder. Everything you need is included: scissors, combs, finger inserts, a cape, and more. It's a comprehensive kit for precise haircuts. 9 combs provide various lengths from 0.5 to 1.5 inches, allowing you to customize the haircut perfectly. Get the exact length you want. Choose your preferred grip, snug, medium, or loose, using the soft gel finger inserts. It's all about comfort and control. It's crafted with care in the USA and backed by our 2-year refund and lifetime guarantee. We're committed to your satisfaction. What we like. This kit offers a gentle, non-electric alternative for sensitive children. The multiple combs provide length customization. If you prioritize a sensory-friendly, customizable experience and prefer a USA-made product, this is the ideal option. What people say. They really didn't make noise other than vibrate, and he thought it was funny. Easy to hold, not heavy at all, and super safe for when they move around a lot. They are all around perfect. I got the big set too with the scissors, and super easy to use as well for top and front. My son hardly noticed me cutting his hair, and the results were beautiful. This truly is quiet and very easy to use for cutting a small child's hair. The ease of use is especially attractive for this product. It took me 1 minute to put together and use, the haircut was done quickly, and I was not worried about cutting my son. Number 2. Baby Hair Clipper Pro. It features sharp, rounded ceramic blades for a gentle yet precise cut. 3 guide combs are included to achieve various hair lengths, ensuring safety for even the youngest ones. Completely waterproof, it's perfect for wet or dry hair. The detachable cutter head makes cleaning quick and easy under running water. Enjoy up to 60 minutes of cordless use on a single charge. The LCD display keeps you informed about the remaining battery life. Its low-noise operation, around 45 dB, keeps your child calm during haircuts. The USB rechargeable design offers flexible charging options. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to handle. The complete kit comes with all the necessary accessories for a convenient haircutting experience. Suitable for babies, kids, and even adults. This versatile clipper is a must-have for any family. What we like. The safe, rounded ceramic blade protects delicate skin. The long battery life ensures uninterrupted haircuts. If you value convenience and a clear battery indicator, this clipper is a great choice. What people say. The little attachments are easy to clip on and remove. Since it's all small, it's all really easy to clean and pack right back up when you're finished. These clippers work perfectly and they're not loud at all. The settings made it easy and scissors were great. I even used the thinning scissors on my own hair. Number 1. SweetLF Hair Clippers. It's a complete kit for easy haircuts. The 3 guide combs give you precise control over the length. The specially designed blade is safe for sensitive skin. It's perfect for hair, beards, and body grooming. It's small and lightweight, easily fitting in your pocket or bag. Take it anywhere for convenient grooming. This cordless clipper is rechargeable via USB. Enjoy up to 45 minutes of use on a single charge. The washable blade makes cleaning a breeze. Just rinse it after each use, don't submerge the entire clipper. Please remember that a power adapter is not included, and neither are oil bottles. What we like. This clipper is designed for quiet operation, minimizing disruptions. Its compact size makes it perfect for travel. If you are looking for a small, easy to clean, and quiet clipper for quick trims, this is a great option. What people say. This clipper is quiet, lightweight, and very easy to use. These clippers are so light and easy to use. They do a great even job. Quiet so it doesn't scare pets. Great for 4 catheters. Small and compact for tiny areas like fluffy dog faces. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.